Hello, welcome to the Tobutis group. Today I am here to give a presentation on the modern world. After listening to the term the modern world, the first thing comes into our mind is the world towards modernization, towards technology. Whenever we hear technology, things come into our mind are personal computer, tablet computer, flatbed computers, mobile phones, internet, printer, scanner, etc. So coming into my first topic, that is the personal computer. PCs falls into two main types. IBM compatible PCs known as simply as PCs and Apple Macintosh PCs known as Macs. The brain of PC is the CPU, that is Central Processing Unit. Today PCs can perform more than billions of calculations in a second. Data can be input via CDs, USB, memory sticks and other storage media. Highly portable laptops and network PCs are also in widespread. Most PCs are able to communicate with many other devices, including digital cameras and smartphones. Now coming into my next topic, that is tablet computer. As we all know that there are many problems related to the PCs and laptops too. PCs are not portable and laptops are again too heavy to carry. So tablet computer overcomes the problems and problems related to the computer, and that's the reason why people are loving tablet computers. And we all are aware of the most popular tablet computer currently used is the Apple iPad. So the most recent handheld computing device is the tablet computer. My third topic is the flatbed scanner. It is also like the normal scanner. Just one improvement done in it is its thickness. The thickness of normal scanner is reduced, which makes it flat. So the name given as flatbed scanner, which looks like a notebook. It converts the physical images into electronic form. So it is included under the electronics branch. The quality of images depends on its resolution, which is measured in dpi, that is dots per inches. Next is Airbus A380. The Airbus A380 was conceived in the early 1990s to compare with and if possible replace the Boeing 747. Work began in earnest on what was then called the A3XX in 1994. The structure makes extensive use of composite materials such as thermoplastics, GLARE, where GLARE is the aluminium and glass fiber. Its engines are very powerful but also very efficient. It is claimed that when carrying 550 passengers, the A380 uses only 2.9 liters of fuel per passenger per 100 kilometers. Now, next is inkjet printer. As we all know that the printer is used for the conversion of soft copies into hard copies. There are two types of printers, black and white printer and color printer. And except this, some more information about the inkjet printer is displayed on the screen. And the printer shown in the screen can print digital photographs directly from the memory card. Nowadays, any of our day can't be concluded without the internet. So my next topic is the internet. The internet consists of tens of thousands of computer networks linked together to form one huge global network, allowing any computer on one network to communicate with any other computer on the another. The two main services used on the internet are email and the World Wide Web. Email allows text messages to be sent along with the attached computer files, images or video clips. And the web consists of billions of pages made up of digital files that are stored on computers across the world and can be viewed using the web browser. The web also provides interaction access to various services, for example banking and shopping. Now coming to the most entertaining part, that is the electronic games. Video games have been around since the early 1970s. They are played on PCs, arcade machines, and on TV. Using a home console, on portable handheld games. Explicit from the information displayed on the screen, I would like to say some small common things about the games. For playing games, joystick is required, and for high definition games, graphics card is required. Next is digital camcorder. Camcorder records the scene as a sequence of 25 or 30 still images per second, along with sound. It comprises a video camera to capture the light from the scene, and viewfinder through which a scene may be viewed, a screen on which the recorded scene may be viewed, a charge coupled device, that is CCD, to convert the visual data into an electrical signal, and a means of storing the signal. Now the next topic is home cinema. Home cinema means a movie theater seen into home itself. It includes plasma TV. For surrounded sound, we have strategically sited loudspeaker, and for sounds and vision, we uses DVDs. It also includes high definition videos, and quality of sound is also good. After seeing about movies, we can't ignore music. So my next topic is personal music and videos. In ancient time, transistor radio was used to listen to songs. Then after that, tape recorders came into trade. But now we have variety of media gadgets, MP3 and mobile phones, iPads. It includes videos too. Files like music, videos, pictures can be seen and transferred between the devices through internet too. Today, a variety of portable media gadgets can record, play and store videos, photographs and music in the electrical form. Next is again the most important gadget, that is the mobile phone. Mobile phone was a rare luxury in 1990s, but now the most of the people are having mobile phones. I won't talk about its uses and working. I know you all would know it very well. So we'll see about its process. When the mobile phone is activated, it sends out a radio signal that is answered by a nearby mast, transmitter and receiver. The phone locks onto the clearest signal and uses this while within the range. The range of each transmitter is known as a cell. The phone continuously monitors signal strength and switches to an alternative transmitter when necessary. The phone's LCD shows numbers, letters, symbols and color pictures, and newer models have large screen for more complex color images. Next is the GPS. Global Positioning System. The Global Positioning System is network of 24 navigation satellites orbiting the Earth that people can use to pinpoint their position. The satellite orbit at a height of 20,000 km. A GPS receiver picks up signals from any of these satellites that are above the horizon. Now next topic is vacuum cleaner. In conventional vacuum cleaner, an electric motor spins a fan that sucks in air, carrying dust and debris too. The air is forced through tiny pores in a dust bag, trapping the most particles. Next is the iron and washer dryer. We all are aware of the term iron and washer dryer too. In the days before washing machine, it was used to be done by the hands. Machines with electric heaters and motors took this strain, but washing from the 1910s up to the 1960s, 3 machines were needed to wash, spin and dry. Now clothes are swirled in rotating ribbed tube of hot water, then spoon fast to throw off most of the water before slowly tumbling in the electrically heated air to dry all in one appliance. Next is toaster. Most of electric toasters not only green slices of bread but also they pop them up with ready. The magnet attracts a catch realistic the spring that holds the rack down in the toaster. One of two metals in this strip expands when quickly then motor causing this strip to curve. The elements switch off and toasted slides pops up. Next is drill. We all know that the drilling machines are used for digging. A small and a big drilling machine is displayed on the screen. The electrically powered motor of a power drill cooled by a fan turns a shaft at high speed. This acts like a lever. The board handle of the brass moves a larger distance than the bit, turning the bit with extra force. Next is house of the future. As you can see, the greenhouse is displayed on the screen, which will be environment friendly. Houses in the future are likely to be more environment friendly and energy efficient than older dwellings by making use of materials and intelligent control system. The integer house use only half the energy and third less water than traditionally built houses. Next is renewable energy. Renewable energy comes from the sources that do not become depleted as we use the energy. The tides, waves, flowing waters, sunlight and wind are some examples of the renewable energy sources. Energy from sunlight or solar energy is changed into electricity in two ways. Wind and water energy are captured by the device called as turbines. The turbines spins and drive on electricity generators. Next is robot. Robots are machines that can carry out a variety of tasks on their own with little or no human control. Most robots are mechanical arms used to build things in factories. A term artificial intelligence can be used to describe the robots. Next is space telescope. Space telescope orbit the Earth from hundreds of kilometers above the ground. Telescopes collect light from the stars and galaxies. The Hubble Space Telescope observes infrared, ultraviolet and visible light. Thank you for listening.